Derivative of inverse trigonometric function, please. Yes. How we may find the, for example, exercise, yes, d by dx of sine inverse of x. We have to find the value of this. How we drive this, okay. Inverse, that is not power, okay, that is inverse. If I take the power, this is the inverse power, 1 minute please. This is the inverse power of sin x. J? डेरिवेटिव के इक्वल होना चाहिए. नहीं, उसकी वजह ये है कि मैंने अब वही बताने लगा हूं, ठीक है. If we take consider the -1 power, it means the inverse power of sin x. That is different, and sin minus x is inverse of x. Inverse of sin x. Both are different, and so the answer will be not the reverse are okay. So important, both are different, and that is both are different. You must be careful about that. Okay, this is two terminology. Okay. Let y equal to sin x, sin inverse of x. Then this implies that x will be equal to sin y. Okay, and dx over dy, what will be the derivative of sine? Equal to d sin y over dy. Yes, the argument are the same. If here x is x or y are y, so answer will be the same. I have already told that. That's why I always use the symbol alpha, not x or y, because the student not confused with y, what will be the derivative of x, what will be the derivative of y. If the symbols are same, then it means the derivative. So this is derivative of x with respect to x. That is same as, okay. So derivative of sine y with respect to y, that will be a cos. So this implies that, so this will be a cos y derivative of sin y with respect to y, that will be a cos y. Okay, but we have to find dy over dx, mean we have to find the derivative of sine inverse. So dy over dx will be equal to 1 over cos y. Okay, because we have to find, if this is a dy y, so it means we have to find dy over dx. Yes, okay. So that's why we have to take the inverse. We know that I have already used it many and many times. Cos square y that equal to cos square x that equal to 1. Yes, or you may say that cos alpha Okay. Sin square x, cos square x equal to 1. Okay. So cos y will be equal to, cos square x will be 1 minus sin square x. Yes? Please be silent. Okay. And cos x will be 1 minus sin square x. Yes? Okay. So it means this will be equal to 1 minus sin square x. Okay. Yes. But sin, oh sorry, cos y. So here will be a sin. Because here is a sorry, here is a cos y, that will be equal to minus sin square y. Okay. Okay. So but sin is equal to, sin y is equal to I apply here. So what will be this value? Sin y is equal to x. Okay. So when I apply this value, then this will be equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So this will be the answer. Okay. So what is the result? Answer is 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So that is the derivative of sine inverse. Okay. Next exercise is derivative of cos inverse of x with respect to x. We have to find this. The same as I have applied the above. Let y equal to cos inverse of x. Okay. This implies that s equal to cos y dx over dy will be equal to, yes, dx over dy will be, what is the derivative of cos? That will equal to minus sin x. Okay. So dy over dx, if we inverse it, then that will be a minus minus 1 over sin x the same as minus 1, this is 1 minus cos square x, and that will be a minus 1 over 1 minus x square. Okay. This lit. suppose no, okay. Okay, and next exercise is so I must write the answer. What is the answer? Minus 1 over 1 minus x square. Okay. Okay. Next is d by dx. Yes. Of tan inverse of x. Now we have to find the derivative of tan inverse. What is that? Okay. So the same. Yes, solution. Y equal to y equal to tan inverse of x. Okay. So x will be equal to tan of y dy over dx. Yes, what is the derivative of tan y? I have a, what is the derivative of tan? Oh, sorry. Derivative of. Yes, you are. मैं भी कहूँ आंसर secant square x. Secant square y. Secant square y and secant square is equal to so dy over dx is equal to 1 over secant square y and secant is x equal to tan y. So if I convert it into the secant in cos, then it will be useless because I have to convert it into the x. I just now the x equal to tan y. So I have to convert secant into the tan. Then we get we may get any useful result. या हम substitution हासिल कर सकते हो. तो हमें we have already 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. I have used this formula and we can derive it from this formula. When we divide it with the cos, then we will get this. Okay. So tan square x will be secant square will be equal to 1 plus tan square x. So that will be equal to 1 plus tan square y. But tan square tan y is equal to x. So if I apply this here, that will be 1 over 1 plus x square. So this will be the result. Okay. So this will be the derivative of Okay. So derivative of tan inverse will be equal to 1 divided by x square. Okay. ये correct कर दो. Secant square is 1 plus tan. D by dx cot inverse of x. So okay, let yes. The same way, let y equal to cot inverse of x. Yes, and this implies that x equal to cot of y. This implies that dx over dy. What is the derivative of cot y? Yes. What is the derivative of cot y? Minus cosecant square x. Good. Minus quick reply. Yes. Quick correct reply. इससे पहले quick wrong reply होता था. अब quick correct reply. Okay. Minus cosecant square y. Okay. So this implies that dy over dx is equal to minus 1 divided by cosecant square y. Okay. Okay. And what is the cosecant is equal, as we know that sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Okay. If I divide it with respect to with respect to if I divide it with respect to sine, okay, sine square, okay, divide with respect to sine square, then that will be sine square divided by sine square, that will be a 1, okay. If I divide it with respect to that will be equal to this, yes, and this will be a sine 1, yes, and cos divided by sine is cot. Sine divided by cos is tan theta, and cos divided by sine is cot theta. Cot square x, and 1 divided by sine is secant square, cosecant square. Cosecant square x. So I use this formula here. 1 by cosecant square is equal to 1. I use this formula here. Okay. This means this will be a minus 1. Cosecant will be a 1 plus cot square x. And cot y, this is y, this will be a 1 cot y, okay. And this will be cot y is equal to x. So this will be minus 1 plus x square. Okay. So this will be the result. Secant inverse of x. Okay. Now we have to find the solution of this. Solution, let y equal to secant inverse of x okay, x equal to secant of y dx over dy. Yes, dx over dy. What is the derivative of secant? Tan x. Now this, yes, secant x tan x. Yes. Okay. And this can be write as this implies that dy over dx, that will be equal to 1 over secant x tan x. Secant x is x. Here tan is different. Secant x is available. Oh, sorry, this is not secant. I must. Sorry. These are the secant y, tan y, because this is a secant y. So derivative is secant x, secant y and tan y. Okay. So here is a secant y, tan y. Secant y is equal to x, but there is no relation about the tan. So we have to convert tan into the secant, जैसे हमने पहले किया था कि जो चीज अवेलेबल है उसमें कन्वर्ट कर दें. ठीक है, tan की तो कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, so we have to convert the tan. And tan is, I have already used 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square. Okay, so I must write that you are right. This is a tan y, and tan this implies that tan x will be equal to secant square x minus 1. Yes, you are right. Okay. So thanks for correction. So this must be a secant square y minus 1, and here will be a x square minus 1. Now it's so. You are right. Okay. So please correct it. Sorry for mistake. So what will be the solution? Let y equal to cosecant inverse of x. This implies that x equal to cosecant minus 1 y. Yes. This implies that dx over dy, that will be equal to, what is the sorry, that will be equal to x equal to cosecant of y. What is the derivative of cosecant? Minus cosecant x. Sorry, this is a y, so that's the cosecant y cot y. Okay. So this implies that dy over dx, yes, that will be equal to minus 1 cosecant y cot y equal to minus 1 cosecant y cot y is equal to, because cosecant y is equal to x, so we have to convert the cot y into the cosecant y, and cot y, this is a formula, cot square x equal, no, we have to convert the cosecant square, cosecant into 1 plus cot, okay. We have to convert the cot, okay, cot square x is equal to cosecant minus 1, or cot x is equal to cosecant. So this will be a okay.